Boom, that's both of them. All at once.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Oh, that wind feel good, man. We are on our way to get a front tire. And I'm gonna get the front tire. I'm gonna install it myself and show you guys some sweet techniques. Yeah, it's ballerina style or hula hoop style. Get your front tire and layer them up like the Michelin Man. I forgot I had this tire on. Oh boy.
Use some silicone lube. I normally use soapy water, but I don't have any soap right now. Please don't use the silicone lube as I have with extra generosity. It gets all over the place. It's a mess and it's real slippery, as I've discovered off camera. But I must admit, silicone lubrication works very well on tires. I believe it's better than soapy water, so I might end up using this in the future. Add the lever, bring it over. I'm gonna zip tie this down somewhere. Let's get it here. Zip tie that down so that doesn't go anywhere. Key is small bites, small bites. Let's just go in and get another small bite. Not small enough. There you go. This loosens up. Oh, that worked well. That wasn't expected. Let's go and get this. Another small bite. Oh, we're off. Now the key to the other side. Just spray it on and just wipe it on. Yeah, this should do it. So that way it doesn't make a big mess. Let's see what we got. Get it and drop dead center. Boom! Alright, we got that one on. Let me get this inner. portion here. Let's see. Should be able to get a good half to majority of this side on. Drop that here. Let's get my seat clamp. Hold that. Go around. Matter of fact, before we get really deep into it, I'm gonna add these protectors here. Just hook them in, that's all, because it's gonna get tight under there. Here I'm using another C-clamp to compress the tire on one end of the rim so that it creates slack on the other side. Okay. Loosen this part up. And get it here. That's our last lever. Get this in there. All right, it's the last one. Should be. Boom. All right, so now at this point, all we gotta do is make sure that the yellow dot is boom, it's on there. All we gotta do, bust the bead or seat the bead and then balance. Let's do it. Boom, that's both of them. All at once. Damn sticker off. This part seems to have settled, so we're gonna put this at the top. Okay, put it to the side. See what we got. Let's add another one. Let's add a third one. So we got 3 weights on there. Let's try it again. Let's see. Let's see it on the other end. So we got 3 weights we're gonna put in this section here. Black silicone adhesive sealant. This time, that's what I'm gonna use. Make sure it's squeaky. Nice and squeaky. Here's what I got. We're gonna peel this back. Go on here, spread it around. Let's get it to stick. But by the way, this black silicone, it takes some time to cure. And it's silicone adhesive, so it should be easy to get off when it's time to. So it needs an hour before it's firm. That's all I got for this video. Wipe off all that extra lube and make sure you're braking your tire. See the links in the description. I want to keep this channel informational and entertaining. I got some more content coming out for you guys. Please comment, like the video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. This is Sportbike Everything. Till next time.